Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so the update runs reliably. First, back up your data and plug in or ensure at least 50% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the large update file downloads quickly and without extra cost. Now open Settings right arrow About Phone right arrow System Update and tap Check for updates. Make sure to read the update notes before tapping Download. You should watch the download and let it finish completely before installing. Once the download reaches 100%, the system will prepare the package. This can take several minutes. Make sure to keep the phone on the charger and do not reboot during preparation. When the Install button appears, tap it. The phone will reboot into the updater and apply the firmware automatically. After install, the device will reboot again to complete the setup. You finish by confirming the new Hyperos version in Settings right arrow About Phone and check that your apps work normally. Once done, restore any backed up files and review app permissions. Some apps may need reauthorization. If you encounter problems like boot loops or failed installs, make sure to try wiping the system cache or retrying via a downloaded local update package from the updater. If errors persist, boot to recovery and use factory, reset only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.